day everyone, welcome back to SmartSync Innovation, where we seamlessly integrate technology into your everyday life by innovating smart solutions for a connected future. If you find these solution hacks important and interesting to you, please subscribe and hit the notification button so you never miss any update. Today I'm going to show you on how you can build your own pulse meter in just 3 minutes. This DIY smart device will help you monitor the heart rate and also measure the oxygen saturation in your blood. Remember, our device is a plug and play. No need of writing complicated programs, hence no need of any technical skills to do your own at home. Here is what you'll need to do your own biopulse meter at home. So you will need a ESP32-C3 Mini, a MAX30102, an OLED display, and a triple adapter. The triple adapter will help you avoid the hassles of wiring. The link to these components are in the video description below. You'll also need a USB cable for flashing the firmware into your device. So simply head over to your browser and key in solutions.kmet.com and you'll be able to see all these applications. Head over to biopulse meter under the cloud-free applications and click on install. The link to this application is in the video description below. So you can choose from your favorite developer, click install and select the correct COM port for your device and connect. Give it some time and the firmware will get installed in your device. Just that simple, without writing any line of code. After you flash the firmware, you can simply place the finger on top of the sensor gently and it will indicate the level of oxygen and the heart rate of your heartbeat. And that is it. You have built your own smart biopulse meter that can enable you monitor the heartbeat and the oxygen level. This project is perfect for a smart home or for monitoring the level of the heartbeat or for your child. If you consider this project interesting, please like, subscribe and share.